Hey guys, and welcome to or welcome back to Hey guys, and welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be attempting to do my own nails at home. Since COVID-19 is still going on, I'm pretty sure my nail salon is open back up, but I'm not going to be going right now just because it's summer and I don't get my nails done in the summer. Also, because it's not safe yet. Right now, we are on our way to Walmart and I'm going to get the nail polish that I want. Let's go there now and we'll see what they have. Okay, so we got to the nail polish section. So I think I want to do white gel couture. So I want gel stuff. So would this be good, Mom? Why is it so expensive? Is nail polish always that expensive?
Yeah, those ones are.
They have Sally Hansen, which is $6.98. Okay, so I'm getting white. So since we got our nail polish, we're gonna go home and start doing our nails. Okay, so we got the goods. I also picked up this protein powder because I want to start having shakes either every morning or for lunch. I don't know which I'm going to do yet. I could not find one of those like detailing things because I wanted to try cheetah print or cow print on my nails. So I just figured I would get black nail polish from home and then use like a thin tipped paintbrush. Definitely have to shape my nails, so let's go home and do that. Okay, so we're home from the store now. This is the one that I bought at Walmart. It's Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. And then we actually have the step 2 here, which I didn't know we had, which is also the Sally Hansen brand. So that's what makes it like actual gel nail polish. So that's what I'm doing for the base. And then I think I'm going to try cow print this time just because it's going to be a little bit easier than cheetah print. So I have this just normal black nail polish. And then I have this like nail art kind of thing with a paintbrush, but I feel like the paintbrush is a little too big. So I'm going to use like this end, I don't know. Got my setup here, so I'm just gonna set the camera up and let's do our nail. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys, but this is what my nails look like before. This one I already have filed. I don't even know why, but these are my nails now. I'm gonna go ahead and file them off camera because it'll take me too long. Okay, so I officially have my nails filed. I went with the coffin shape. They don't all look perfect, but I did them to the best of my ability. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and start with our first coat using this Sally Hansen White Miracle Gel Polish. And this was around $9, I think, at Walmart.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold me.
I have the first coat of the white done, but it's definitely not covering enough of my nails, so I'm going to do a second coat.
Lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left, I got you.
Okay, so I have the second coat done, and they are looking super nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry for 15 minutes and then we will put on this step 2 gel polish. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. My nails are definitely dry enough to put on the step 2.
I got you.
Alright, now that I have the top coat on and they are just looking absolutely beautiful, we obviously have to let them dry, so I'm going to give them another 15 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead with the cow design. They're pretty much dry now. I'm literally just realizing I should have done this after I did the cow print, like the top coat. So that was stupid on my part, but I also did watch a video and they actually use this side of the tool, which works out perfectly for me. So basically I'm gonna zoom in even more like this so you guys can see a little better. So I'm using, okay, I don't even know the brand of this because it doesn't weirdly say one on the bottle, but it's just black. Ah, we got the first one down. Oh my gosh, this is so stressful.
I got
as you can tell, I just finished doing my nails. I'm going to zoom out just a bit. I am actually so happy with how they turned out. Some of them aren't my favorite, like this one. I just don't like where the splotches are placed. But, oh, and that one looks really messy. Other than that, I'm actually super happy with how they turned out. Those are my cow print nails. So thank you so much for watching me do my nails at home. It was just the safest bet for me with COVID-19 going on still. And I just want to keep myself, my family, and others safe as well. And just kind of help spread this horrible disease. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I had so much fun doing this. I hope you guys had fun watching it, and I definitely recommend trying your nails out at home because it's super fun and it gets you off your electronics and just allows you to have some calm time. So, oh shoot, I just touched that. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you all.
California's got me looking like a beach ball, sun up in my hair.